So I've got the bottom plate on, all welded up all the way around, because I realized once I get it mounted onto the go-kart frame, I am going to need a tensioner for the chain. And what I did on the electric motor that I was originally going to put on the go-kart is I added a hinge. So here's my hinge, and we'll weld up like this onto the bottom plate here, and to here on this frame, just some L tube or a L bar, I think that's what it's called. And on the back here, I will put a screw here onto the top of this plate at an angle roughly 45 degrees. Same thing over here, welded on. The holes drilled here will be oval shaped to allow the motor to flip up and down to tension the chain. So on these 45-degree bolts will be a nut underneath the plate and one on top, so I can vary the height. There's the hinge welded on. And